Hello, this is needlepointers.com, and it is time to start planning for the Easter holiday. What is Easter without Easter baskets to decorate your home? Here are two cute little crocheted baskets I made with Plarn. Plarn is the yarn that you make from plastic bags. This one was made with plastic grocery bags, and this one was made with newspaper bags. Aren't they adorable? If you want to crochet this basket, get the free pattern and also learn how to make plastic bag yarn by clicking the iCard or the link in the description below. I hope you decide to make some baskets. Did you like this craft idea? Please like, share, and comment. Subscribe to our channel because we post new videos on Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. Follow us on Facebook. Our Facebook page is a great resource for craft and hobby information. Also visit our website, needlepointers.com, for a lot of crochet tutorials and free projects.